Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take one or two words in a sentence, tweak them just a little bit, and dramatically change the message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. Today we are looking at what I call the rule of 3's. I don't know where I picked up the name, the rule of 3's, so I'm not claiming that I coined any of these terms. They're just what I call them. They're what I've developed over the years, and they probably been used before. So when you're talking to people, when you're reading things, when you're describing things, and really when you're writing any sort of a story, look at how many groups you're using and how many items are in each group. Over the years and throughout all sorts of different types of writing and different types of storytelling, we can see 3 being used over and over and over again. It's complete, it's considered powerful, and it's considered to be kind of fall into that cadence that a lot of us love to read, but we don't really realize why we love to read it. So a few examples are when you were little and you read is it a fairy tale about the 3 little pigs? Or maybe as you got older, you read about the 3 musketeers. Or then you were studying Latin and you learned about Veni Vidi Vici. Or in Christianity, there's the Holy Trinity. All these sets of 3's. Now that you're considering it, you can probably start thinking of many more examples of how 3's falls into everyday life in all these different stories and all these different aspects of our life where we don't really realize it, but for some reason it just feels right. And it's because it feels complete and it feels whole. So when you're talking to your prospects, when you're writing any sort of copy or content, think in 3's. This can be something as simple as a blog post. Say you're a marketing company and you want to get law firm clients on board. You can talk about the 3 best ways to market your law firm. Or perhaps you're a lawn care company and you want to attract more people to buy your products. Say you sell fertilizers and whatever. You can talk about the 3 steps to an ultra green lawn. Or perhaps you're selling a course on how to grow your business, and you can talk about how creativity, compassion, and cooperation leads to business growth. You don't have to use that word 3, but you have 3 concepts, 3 ideas in there. Every time you go into writing something, try to group it into 3's. Now, if you have more than 3, that's fine, because you can do 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Now you have 3 sets of 3's. I don't know if that's more impactful, more powerful, or more complete, but and then you can do like 3 C's, the 3 E's, and the 3 D's, or something along those lines. Now you have 3 sets that coalesce and go together. Each 3 goes together, and all 3 sets also go together. So everything you write, think in 3's. Thanks for watching this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope that you found some inspiration and some education that you can take back and apply to your business. If you're struggling with this concept, if this one was just all over the place and yet I totally didn't make sense, reach out through the links below. I'd be happy to help. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. That'll help get you notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board or my company, Sery Content Development, post another tip or trick you can apply to your life or business.